Hello guys, I'm Tony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the most valuable videos for freshers because all three opportunities are from well-known companies and the roles are actually related to software development. The first company is ZS, which is hiring for Gen AI role, which offers a package of 10 plus LPA. And the second opportunity is a remote software development internship offering a good stipend. And the third one is from Birlasoft and they are hiring a PLSQL developer. So don't skip this video because I will explain everything you need to know before applying. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is ZS and they are hiring for the role of Business Technology Solutions Associate in Gen AI. Now if you have been following the AI industry, then you should already know that companies are already investing heavily in Gen AI and ZS is one of the organizations actively building AI solutions for global clients. This is not a random startup experimenting with AI. ZS is a global consulting and tech company that works with some of the biggest healthcare and business organizations across the world. Coming to the role, this is a full time opportunity and the locations include Bangalore, Pune, and Gurgaon. The work model is hybrid, so you will generally work from office around 3 days a week, while the remaining days can be remote depending on the project. The company is looking for candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience, which means fresh graduates and early career developers have a good chance of applying. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. You will work with business teams to understand real world problems and then build technical solutions using Python, SQL, and AI technology. You will help develop features, participate in software development, perform testing, and collaborate with developers to build applications that company actually use. So this role gives exposure to software engineering along with AI implementation, which is a very valuable combination right now. Coming to the skills, Python is one of the biggest requirement. Along with that, they expect SQL, database fundamentals, algorithms, data structures, and basic software development knowledge. If you have also explored cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, or experimented with Gen AI tools, that definitely strengthens your profile. Although those are not mandatory. For eligibility, the company is looking for candidates with bachelor's or master's degree in CS, business analytics, MIS, or any related technical field. One thing I personally liked about this role is that the learning opportunity, since you will work with consulting teams and enterprise clients, you will not only improve your technical skills but also learn how large scale organizations actually implement AI solutions in production. So, if you are interested in Python, AI, analytics, Google Cloud, or software development, this is definitely one of the strongest opportunity in today's video. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The next company is the Developers Arena and they are hiring software developer interns. This one is specifically interesting for students because it's completely remote. Yes, this is a remote internship, so you can work from anywhere in India. The internship duration is 1 month and the monthly stipend is 30,000 rupees, which is honestly quite attractive for fresh internships. Now, unlike the previous role, this company is not looking for experts, they are looking for people who are genuinely interested in software development and willing to learn while working on real projects. During the internship, you will build software applications, write clean code, fix bugs, participate in code reviews, and work alongside experienced developers. So instead of just watching tutorials, you will actually experience how software projects are actually developed in team. The technology is also flexible. They are open to candidates who know programming languages like Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. Along with that, they expect basic programming knowledge, data structures, debugging skills, problem solving ability, and good communication. If you already know Git, software testing, or object oriented programming, that's definitely an added advantage, but it's not compulsory. Another thing worth mentioning is that the company provides mentorship during the internship. That means you will receive guidance from experienced developers while working on live projects, which is something many students struggle to find. The internship is open to undergraduate students, postgraduate students, and engineering students, so eligibility is quite broad. Now, because it's remote, you don't have to worry about relocating to another city. If you are currently building projects, learning programming, or trying to get your first software engineering experience, this internship is definitely worth applying for. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity. Third company is Birlasoft and they are hiring PLSQL developers. Now, I know some of you immediately think database roles are not exciting, but let me tell you something important. Large enterprise companies still rely heavily on Oracle databases and PLSQL. Banks, manufacturing companies, healthcare organizations, logistic companies, many of them still run their critical systems on Oracle technology. So, learning these technologies can actually lead to a stable and long term software engineering career. This is a full time opportunity based in Pune, so both freshers as well as experienced candidates are eligible. Now, what kind of work will you actually do? Your primary responsibility will be developing PLSQL programs, writing optimized SQL queries, maintaining Oracle database applications, and supporting warehouse and supply chain management systems. You will also collaborate with business teams to understand requirements, improve database performance, resolve integration issues, and maintain enterprise applications. So, this is not just writing SQL queries all day, you will actually work on business critical systems that organization depend on every single day. Coming to the skills, the company expects knowledge of SQL, Oracle database, data integration concept, query optimization, and problem solving. If you have already studied about Oracle e-business suite, Oracle Fusion, or warehouse management system, that's definitely a plus, although not mandatory for everyone. The company is looking for graduates in CS, IT, or related technical field. So, if your goal is to build a career in software development, Oracle technologies, or backend database systems, this opportunity can become a very strong starting point. Now, if we compare all three opportunities, if you're excited about AI, Python, analytics, then go for the first one. And if you're still in college and looking for internship, that too a remote internship, then go for the second one. And if you're interested in backend and databases, then go for the third one. The important thing is that not to apply randomly. Choose the internship that matches the career you are trying to build because relevant experience always have more value than simply collecting certifications. And remember something, your first internship does not have to be perfect. It just has to teach you something very valuable. Every project you build, every bug you solve, every technology you learn becomes another point you can confidently discuss during the future interviews. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the application link are in the description box. If this video even helped you a bit, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.